Hello, I'm Sri. Welcome to the Ethical Hacker course by CBTU. Module Metasploit Section Lab Setup. To demonstrate Metasploit functionality, we need to have a system installed with Metasploit that can be Kali Linux or any other system. And we need vulnerable systems, that is target system to test vulnerabilities, pen testing. This is a tracker system and we can have the targets. It can be Windows XP, Metasploitable Linux or Windows virtual machines provided by Microsoft. We can have Metasploitable Linux system provided by Rapid7. Microsoft also provides Windows virtual machines for testing purpose. The target system is accessible over the LAN or accessible over the WAN, that is Internet. Lab environment is for simulation of the real world scenarios and explore the technology and practice skills. Free virtual machines are available for downloading and testing the exploits and tools available in the Metasploit. Rapid7 provides Metasploitable Linux systems, which are intentionally vulnerable systems for testing purpose. Microsoft provides virtual machines of Edge and versions of IE8 through IE11 for download and testing. Rapid7 provides Metasploitable system, which is Ubuntu Linux virtual machine, intentionally kept vulnerable system. It is intended to be used as target for testing exploits with Metasploit. This virtual machine is compatible with VMware, VirtualBox, and other common virtualization platforms. This is Metasploitable download page. This system has large amount of security vulnerabilities. It is intended to be used as a target for testing exploits with Metasploit. You can download and build Metasploitable 3. For quick start, you can use Vagrant Hub pre-built images. This is Vagrant Cloud, Vagrant Hub website. These are the Metasploitable boxes available. If you are comfortable with Vagrant box, you can go with this. Let us see the pricing. This is free for the community. This is other commercial pricing. The default login for Metasploitable 3 and the previous version Metasploitable 2 also same. That is msfadmin as username and password. Use Metasploitable system in NAT, bridge or host mode in the lab environment. It is cautioned that these are vulnerable systems and never expose these systems to untrusted network and internet. This is Metasploitable download link, Vagrant Hub box links. We can download Metasploitable 3 ISOs. These are the Metasploitable ISOs for Windows 2008, R2 with SP1, Windows 2012. Metasploitable 2 is distributed as VM Snapshot, where everything was set up and saved in that state. Whereas in Metasploitable 3, image is built dynamically. It utilizes Packer, Vagrant, and other scripts to go from nothing to a fully functional, exploitable VM within minutes. These are the general vulnerable applications and services. Tomcat, IIS, SSH, MySQL, WordPress, and others. The respective organizations continuously work towards fixing bugs and keep them secure always. This is Metasploitable 2. This is Metasploitable 2 link. This version is last updated in 2012. As we have seen, this is fully vulnerable Linux virtual machine provided by Rapid7. The purpose of this system is to test security tools, provide training, and practice pen testing techniques. Free virtual machines of Microsoft Edge and versions of IE8 through IE11 are available for download. This is to test some of the exploits and tools available in the Metasploit. This is the download page. You can select the virtual machine. The platform options are VirtualBox, Vagrant, VMware, Hyper-V, and Parallels. MS Edge on Windows 10 is also available for all these platforms. Note that these virtual machines expire after 90 days. The recommendation is take a snapshot when you first install the VM, which you can roll back at a later time. This is a great service by Microsoft to test all these platforms. This is Metasploitable Linux system. Starting Metasploitable Linux on VirtualBox. It's loading. Login username and password is msfadmin. Yeah, we logged in. We'll be using this Metasploitable as a vulnerable target in our demos coming up. We have covered how to set up Metasploit Lab for testing vulnerabilities. In the next session, we'll be covering Metasploit commands. Thanks for watching.